Hi, I'm Ronald, and today I will be trying out needle felting for the first time. I bought this needle felting kit from Shopee, and this includes a set of needles, a plastic foam, some instruction manuals, some pair of eyes, and the colored wool plus a keychain thing. Not exactly sure what it's called. I've always wanted to try this one for quite some time now, but I gotta give a special shout out to a friend, Isalorian on Instagram, who suggested this as an art challenge. If you're interested, I will be adding the Shopee link where I purchased this kit on the video description below. But kids, if you are gonna do this, please make sure your parents or an adult is guiding you with this craft. The needles are really sharp, and I even got myself poked a couple of times, so just to be safe, please have an adult help you with this. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing if not done already, or feel free to share this to someone who might be interested on this kind of content. And do leave a comment if you have any suggestions of what art challenges I should be doing next. Now I will be leaving you with the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy. So this is how it's supposed to look like, but since I didn't like this part, the bag, this is what I created instead. I still have yet to know the technique on how to poke the wool to make it more compact. Mine's a bit loose and feathery, and I wasn't able to copy the exact pattern design, but pretty satisfied on how it turned out. I guess that would be it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.